Excuse me. Excuse me. Psst. Did I not offer you your own piece of paper? I need that. Psst. Hey. Starburst. Starburst. I need those. Starburst. I need them. I need those for the party so I can finish. Here. Your own paper. No. I need those. Thank you. See? Your own piece of paper. There you go. Is that much better? For me anyway. Because you want to break all my stuff. No, I need that for the balloons. I need that. I need that too. Oye, no. No. Gimme. No, ma'am. I need it. I need it for the balloons. What? What? What are you doing? I give you paper. There you go. I give you paper. Yes, I did. Psst, don't. You're getting too close to the piñata. Don't even touch it. Okay? Psst, You don't touch the piñata. No, ma'am. Okay? What? Where are you going? That's my notebook. I need it. Psst, I'm using that. I'm using it. I gave you paper. Look. Hey. I gave you paper. Use that one. Why do you have to break the notebook? Get the paper. Not the notebook. I need the notebook. I need it. No, ma'am. That's the notebook I need. No, don't destroy my list. No. No. I need that for the balloons. Gimme. No. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you exploring?